Hello folks, we're going to look at factorising this. What is different to what we did before is that we've now got a minus number in there, and that could come from, for example, minus 1 times 5, or it could be 1 times minus 5. So we're going to have to include more possibilities in our table to allow for the fact we don't know where the minus sign is. So here's our table. The factors of that 7x squared go in first. Then all the possible factors of the 5 go in, minus 1 times 5, or maybe it's 1 times minus 5. Or the other way around, maybe it's 5 times minus 1, or maybe it's minus 5 times 1, because all of these will make minus 5. So let's start working our way along. 7x times 1, that's minus 7, plus 5, so that would give us plus 2 in the middle, and clearly that's not what we've got. Next pair, 7x times 1, so that's 7x, that's minus 5, so 7x minus 5 would give us minus 2x in the middle, still no use. Here now, if we do 7x times 5, that gives us 35, and x times minus 1 gives us minus 1. So 35 plus minus 1 will give us the plus 34 that we need in the middle. So first bracket is going to be x plus 5. Second bracket from the bottom line is going to be 7x minus 1. So what we've achieved here is that we've managed to work out that 7x squared plus 34x minus 5 can be factorised to give us x plus 5 times 7x minus 1. There we are, that's that factorisation done. I've got a second example I would like to look at with you. This time we're going to try and factorise 5x squared plus 8x minus 4. And again, fairly straightforward, the factors for the first term must be x and 5x. And then we've got all the possibilities for our minus 4. Minus 1 and 4, 1 and minus 4. Minus 4 and 1, or 4 and minus 1. But there are even more possibilities with 4. It could come from minus 2 times 2, or it could from 2 minus 2. So because 4 has got minus 4 has got lots of factors, we've got lots of possibilities here. And we just work along the table as usual. Minus 5 plus 4, that would give us minus 1 in the middle. Nope, it's not that. Minus 4x plus 5x, that would give us plus x in the middle. No good. Here, x times 1 is x, minus 20, minus 19. Well, it's certainly not that. Right. Minus 1, x plus 20 would give us 19. Still not there. X, that would give us 2x, and that would give us minus 10x, that would give us minus 8, and you can see we've been quite unlucky here because it's actually the final pair that work out. So we've got x plus 2, and from the bottom line we've got 5x minus 2. So just writing down what we've found, 5x squared plus 8x minus 4 can be factorised as from the top line x plus 2, from the bottom line 5x minus 2. And there we are, we're done. Just to remind you, of course, if I'd written 5x minus 2, x plus 2, that would also be right. Okay, thank you for listening.